So you want to know why your YouTube channel is not growing. Today, we're gonna cover the top 5 things that you can do to fix this so that you can start getting more views and more subscribers. I've been there and I know exactly how you feel. You dedicate hours doing keyword research, planning, scripting, shooting, editing, creating a thumbnail, adding a description, adding tags, and then coming up with the perfect title. And then you hit publish and you're still not done because you still have to do the other 50% of the job, which is promoting the video. You go on Facebook groups, Quora, Reddit, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, your blog, Twitter, Pinterest. You send an email to everyone, even your grandma. You wait, look at your phone. It hasn't even been an hour and you're biting your nails. You start refreshing the YouTube Studio page on your desktop. You walk away, open the YouTube Studio app for like the 1,000th time in the last 30 minutes to find you still got 30 views. And you're asking yourself, why is my channel not growing? Why am I not getting more subscribers and more views? We're going to fix that problem. Let's get right to it. And keep watching because I saved the best for last. Let's start with tip number 1, defining your audience. How do you define your audience? And why is defining your audience important? So as you begin defining your audience, you want to start thinking about how old are they? What do they like doing? What are they mostly interested in? Who are they already watching? What kind of videos would they like to watch? What are their pain points that you can address and help them out with? Because at the end of the day, YouTube is about giving value, whether you're doing that through education or entertainment. The moment you know who your audience is, your channel is going to start growing. Defining your audience is probably one of the most important things when it comes to creating YouTube videos. The more you focus on who you're speaking to, the better that YouTube knows exactly who to show your videos to. Think about how you can make their life just a little better. Moving on to tip number 2. Are you being consistent? Now, I don't mean in terms of how many videos you're putting out every week, which you should at least be posting 1 video per week. That's if you want to grow on YouTube. And consistency comes with the types of videos that you're putting out. Remember, niche down and make videos about certain topics related to your niche. Create a plan. Think about these kind of things because that's going to help you grow on YouTube. The more consistent you are, the more likely subscribers will come back to watch your videos and you're gonna attract more subscribers to your channel. Moving on to number 3. Are you asking for subscribers? There are so many ways that you can ask for subscribers, whether that would be in the video, in the description, using a lower third graphic like I did just right here, adding an end screen that will ask them to subscribe, asking your friends, your family, letting people on your social media know that you have a YouTube channel so they can subscribe. Number 4, are you keeping viewers on the platform? Keeping viewers on the platform is the one way that you're going to start growing your channel and YouTube will reward you for it. You can do this by creating a playlist, include links to your other YouTube videos within your description, add end screens that will lead them to watch another video, adding video cards like this one right here. And when you do all this, you're going to start accumulating more views to your channel. YouTube will reward you for it and show your videos to more people. Tip number 5, are you studying your analytics? I really love this one. Watch it to the end because this is gonna help you grow your YouTube channel faster. YouTube is actually telling you what's working and what's not. So as you continue to make more videos, you're going to start seeing what people are liking about your videos, where are people dropping off, where do you see a spike in your video, and take notes because the more you know your analytics, the better you'll be at making videos. The more data that you feed to the algorithm, the better you're going to get at making videos. Pay attention also to the CTR, which tells you whether your thumbnail has a high rate of clicks or not. Focus on making better thumbnails, improve your watch time, find out where people are dropping off, where do you see a spike, and all this is going to help you make better videos. And if you want to learn more ways to grow on YouTube, watch these videos here. See what I did there?